Bakit parang bilis sumaba ng buhok mo? Common concern ito ng maraming clients. But ang question is, mabilis nga ba talaga humaba ang buhok mo? Or mabilis lang mawala ang shape ng haircut structure mo? Hi, it's me, James Torrencondia, your science-based barber hairdresser. On average, hair grows around half an inch per month. So kung after 1 or 2 weeks, parang mabigat na, mahirap na ayusin, or parang mahaba na, the problem may not be your hair growth. It may be your haircut structure. Sa haircutting, napakahalaga ng weight distribution. Hindi lang dapat maganda ang gupit after day 1. Dapat kinoconsider din kung paano ito hahaba after 1 week, after 1 month, or even after 2 months. Maraming haircut na fresh and polished sa simula, pero mabilis bumigat and mawala ng shape, kaya feeling natin mabilis siyang humaba. So another reason is cutting the hair too short, especially thick Asian hair. Kapag masyadong maikli, maaari ito mag-stick out habang humahaba, making the new length more obvious. That's why the shortest haircut is not always the most low maintenance. So that's also my experience when I shifted from short hair to a properly structured mid-length cut. Mas madaling ayusin, mas tumatagal yung shape, and hindi ko na kailangan magpagupit every 2 weeks. So, baka hindi mabilis sumaba yung buhok mo. Baka hindi lang tama yung structure, weight distribution, and length para sa natural behavior ng hair mo. At Facundo, we don't just cut for day 1. We design how the hair will grow. And this is the same haircut system that we teach here in the Philippines and internationally. Stop paying for haircuts that feel expired after 2 weeks. Get a haircut that built to last. Book now with Facundo.